Cryptocurrency is hot right now, and a lot of people like you are interested in learning more about it. It's very easy to get confused when you come across terms like Defi, NFTs, DAOs, but not to worry, we're going to discuss about all of that in this video. My name is Damola and this is the Yoruba Chick channel. Please leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. So let's jump into the video. What is DeFi? If you're already familiar with cryptocurrency, you know what blockchain technology is. But just in case you don't, I'm going to define it for you. Blockchain is a new technology defined in its name, block and chain. Think of it as a group of blocks that are chained together and distributed among all users. You can store any kind of information in these blocks, such as transactions. Financial transactions. So what is DeFi? DeFi is simply short for decentralized finance. DeFi technology is based on blockchain technology. Some examples of centralized finance are like banks and current financial institutions as we know them today. DeFi is a form of finance based solely on blockchain technology. Think of it as Legos but like made of money. With DeFi, you don't need any other financial intermediaries such as banks. All you need to interact with other users are decentralized applications, which are also known as dApps. What this means is you can store value in these Legos, you can send or receive money from other users. Basically, you can interact with other users in the system. So think about it like this. Usually when you want to send or receive money, you need an intermediary, which is a bank. But with DeFi, you do not need any intermediary. You can relate directly with who you want to send or receive money from. One recurring thing in DeFi or blockchain or cryptocurrencies is that they're mostly trying to eliminate middlemen. We're trying to do everything in a smart way. We are trying to exchange money in a smart way, and we're trying to make everything easier, sharing of information easier. What are NFTs? NFTs are short for non-fungible tokens. NFTs are basically a recording on the blockchain that shows that you own a token. Think of it like a digital receipt. It could represent a piece of art, music, or any digital file. Remember earlier when I said you can store information or any data you want in blockchain? The uniqueness of NFTs lies in the fact that the value is not replaceable. Hence the name non-fungible tokens. This means that you can't trade one NFT for the other, like you would necessarily trade cryptocurrencies, and everyone is unique. I know NFTs are used majorly in the art world, but NFT is not a piece of art. It is a digital receipt that represents a piece of art. So if you're buying an NFT, you are not buying the actual thing. You're just buying something that represents the actual thing. So to the last item, what is a DAO? DAO stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. But before we go into that, let's first discuss Ethereum. This is very important to the conversation. You'll find out very soon why. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. It is also built on the blockchain. Ethereum was designed for contracts, or as we call them, smart contracts. A smart contract is like a digital contract or agreement between two people without the use of middlemen. It's like a contract, but smart. How does it work? As long as both parties are aware of the terms of the contract will execute by itself. What does this have to do with DAO? Well, DAO is an organization that runs by itself, just like a smart contract. And just like decentralized finance, the main goal of the DAO is to take out middlemen. So when we're talking of a traditional company, you think of centralized leadership like CEOs, board of directors. These are all the elements that make up an organization. There's leadership at the top, and it is centralized, and it goes like from top to down. But with decentralized finance, everyone who owns a token owns the company. We are all the leadership, and we get to decide what the organization does. The DAO is funded and powered by Ethereum. So basically, if you're holding a token, you get to vote on changes that happen within the organization, vote on whether there's going to be a new project or not, and the employees of the organization are going to be paid using Ethereum smart contracts. So basically, that's the long and short of it. NFTs, DAO, DeFi, these are all new concepts and they can seem extremely confusing at first. But the more you learn, the more you read, and the more you try to understand about this, the better it is for you. I'm going to leave some links in the description box. Read up more on the subject matter, get to know it more. It's pretty much new for most of us. Cryptocurrency, DeFi, it's new for most of us and it's taking the world by storm. So it's a good thing that you're probably trying to learn more about it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a comment and let me know. Also, let me know what other kind of videos or any other questions. Who knows? I might answer with a video. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time.